Happy Saturday, everyone. My name is Jeffrey Jones. I'm a spokesman for the boxman.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. And in this video, I'm going to give you an introduction to 3 applications that you could put on any streaming device to make it 1,000 times better. So let's take a look. Okay guys, I am back and let's just jump right into the video. If this is your first time on this platform, whether that be YouTube, whether that be Rumble or even Odyssey, thank you for tuning in and making me a part of your Saturday as you watch this video. Now the 3 apps I'm going to introduce you to are the apps I've been using for several years, and they make my streaming experience 1,000 times better. And I'm hoping that if you implement them, you will see value in them, and hopefully they'll make your experience 1,000 times better. So let's get started. App number 1 is Downloader. Downloader is probably on every single streaming device. But maybe you knew this, but Downloader started as a browser. So that's one of the best ways to put different applications of utility applications, entertainment applications by using the internet. No one can block you from using the internet. It is absolutely your consumer right. Your right as a consumer to use your devices how you see fit, whether that be a positive impact or negative. The power of choice is in the consumer's hands. Now, one of the things it also does, if you know how to use Downloader, and there's plenty of videos on how to do it, this application, make your streaming experience 1,000% better, because you're only going to put on the applications outside on top of the ones that they gave you in the device that you bought. You're only going to put the applications that fit you. So if you like ABC News, you're probably going to download that app. Or if you like certain things, you're going to download that app. You're going to use Downloader as a good tool to get what you're looking for, so it enhances or fine-tunes your streaming experience. And it's been around a long time. It even lets you save favorites. This is one of my favorites, the Troy Point Toolbox. This is where I get a lot of the information that I use. So you could save your favorite websites of your different streamers, or those that do the videos like Superdell, Tech.uk. There's Troy Point himself. You can save what you want to save as your favorite. So Downloader would be the number 1 application, my first application that does enhance my streaming experience 1,000%. Let's jump into app number 2. App number 2 is like a dual app, and maybe you've heard me talk about it. It's this application Blockada. Blockada is a 3-in-1 app. You have the ad blocker right here, which is absolutely free. As you can see, 393 applications have been blocked. I use this device every other day, and compared to today, I checked the On 4K Pro, I'm up to 1,180 ads blocked on that device. Again, that device is not the most secure device, but this one, as you can see, the Formula Z10, only 300, and this is like 5 months. Another thing it does, this is an absolutely free service, the ad blocker. Another thing it has is a free DNS changer. If you don't know what DNS is, it's domain name systems. In other words, when you type in Amazon.com into your browser, the DNS, domain name systems, turn your words into computer language that takes you to that website. When you change your DNS numbers or servers or systems off of your IP, current IP, which you can do, and that's another video, it makes the internet faster, safer. These DNS companies are amazing because they give it to you for free. There is an option to pay, but OpenDNS I've used for over the years, and I use it when I'm streaming outside of the US or whatever it might be. It's just a form of security that helps blockada be my number two choice, and it will, if you use it and get it to your devices, I believe it'll make your streaming experience 1000% better. And you can get that at blockada.org. I'll put a link in the description of the video, and you can sideload it, install it, try it. I love this one. This is awesome because I have full control. And the last one there is Blockada Tunnel, but it's not free. It's actually their paid VPN. So number two is Blockada. You want to check that one out. And last but not least, before I close out this wonderful short video, is StreamTube Next. The reason I like StreamTube Next is because it's YouTube's little brother. But it's YouTube's little brother because it doesn't have ads. Now, I like YouTube a lot, but when my grandkids or my nieces or my nephews or whoever we're babysitting at the time wants to watch a cartoon or whatever it might be, on the regular YouTube platform, there's advertisements being run, and it just breaks up and making it monotonous for them to get in a place of quietness. This is when I go to SmartTube Next. It just plays all the way through. No ads. It's wonderful. And it's always good to have a backup to what you already have. Now, always you can create an account to do that. You'll just scan this QR code and you'll see it takes you to youtube.com/activate. I told you it is YouTube's little brother. Another thing, it lets you search whatever you're looking for. So I was looking at heavy rain sounds for sleeping. You can click on these 10 hours, 96 hours. It is YouTube's little brother because it's YouTube. But what I mean by this is that it doesn't take the place of the regular YouTube. Is right here. Adding another application just gives you options, just in case you don't find what you're looking for here. All right. So with that said, those are the top 3 applications that work on any streaming device to make your experience 1,000 times better. Hey, if you have a different 3 applications in the comments below, put them down there. Tell me what you're using. Let me check them out. I like to check out different things and learn. I'm always trying to learn how to be better, to be bolder, and to be stronger. With that said, this is the one and done. Thank you guys for purchasing this. For those that have purchased it or even looked at it, this is a one and done. I explained it in the video. If you want to know what a one and done is, it is crushing all super boxes, all the other boxes out there, I believe, because it's too simple and too easy to get the value that you want. There'll be a link in the description. You can click on it, watch the video. It's only $190.36 one time. It is amazing. Hey, thank you guys for tuning in. Put your comments below of the 3 apps or the apps that you use that make your streaming experience 1,000% better. We'll see you in the next video.